went to college, did aeronautical engineering, and then I went and worked for a small race team as a junior mechanic. We did European Le Mans and GP2. After there I left to go to do F1. I did 5 years as a gearbox technician, and then I came to Virgin Racing as a chief mechanic. It's a high pressure environment, so you try and be the most focused you can. The procedures, the techniques, the high standards that we strive for make a big difference. Formula E car will do 60 miles an hour in around 3 seconds and reach about 140 miles an hour. You work really hard all week to try and win a race, so when you do get one, it's just a great buzz of adrenaline. At this level, you need the best equipment you can. Facom are great tools. They've never let us down. The Smart Torque is the best torque wrench I've ever used. The whole thing about racing is small marginal gains in performance. Facom tools stand up to the pressures of our environment week in, week out.